The Animate project library is an organizational repository which contains complex assets such as imported bitmap files, audio, and complex symbols within an Animate project. You'll find the library grouped with the Properties panel right here, and clicking on that tab is going to expose it. We can see that this is an empty library. It doesn't have anything in here just yet. Later on in our project, we're going to revisit the library in order to clean it up and organize it. Before we do so, there are a few things that you should know about the library. For one thing, any shapes do not exist within the library. So if I drag out another shape here, you'll notice it doesn't exist in there. It only exists on the stage. That's just how shapes behave. However, if I was to import sounds or image files into my project, or even create complex symbol types like movie clip or graphic symbols, these would all exist within my project library. Libraries are a powerful aspect to any Animate project, but they must be organized well to be used effectively.